Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today we're fitting sheet vinyl in the kitchen. It's a wood effect style. So first of all, we're going to measure the kitchen and then we're going to cut the vinyl to fit. Now that we've cut the vinyl to size, I'm going to make sure that it hits all four corners of the kitchen. As you can see, I'm making sure that we hit all sides of the kitchen. Now I'm going to grab a tape measure and double check and make sure we have enough vinyl to go underneath the unit. You'll notice I only measured one side because of the way that I measured the vinyl in the beginning. If it fits on one side, then we have enough to go over to the other side. Right, now we're ready to start gluing the vinyl down and then cut off all excess vinyl. Prior to fitting, I did allow the vinyl to sit in the property for about 2 hours before I started fitting. You may need to trim it down more than once, but that's okay. I'm cutting it into the areas that we need to get it into fit, and then we should start trimming it down to size. Now you can see I use a mixture of two knives, a straight blade and a hook blade. It just depends on the area that I'm in. I use a straight blade for relief cuts mainly, and the hook knife for actually trimming the vinyl. And having said that, there I go using the straight blade to trim down the vinyl. Needless to say that you can use both knives to do the trimming. It just depends on your skill level. But I mainly like using the hook knife. For me personally, it's the most comfortable knife. It is the quickest. Vinyl fitting is definitely something that you can do yourself. It just takes a little bit of practice and patience. I'd say mainly patience. So, cut as many times as you need to get it down to the level that you want. The one advice I would give you, if this is the first time you're going to try fitting vinyl, cut your waist down as low as you can before you actually start trimming the vinyl, so that you can see what you're doing. Right, we're getting very near to the end now. We've just about finished fitting this vinyl in the kitchen. This is the last bit cut down, and then we're all done. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Comments down below. And as if by magic, it's all done now. Finished product.
My taxi, sipping caramel